Hello, and welcome to my #1 selling gig, How to Be Successful on Facebook. My name is Reese. I'm a social media expert and consultant with over 5 years of experience. 2019 was a dynamic year for my company. We spent just over $1 million on Facebook ads and consulted over 150 businesses from around the world in over 60 different niches. This gig is a personal one-on-one consultation to teach you everything you need to know about what is working with Facebook marketing in 2020. Whether this is your first time trying Facebook or you're a Facebook veteran, I will personally tailor the call to match your needs and skill level. During the call, we'll be focusing on optimizing the page, establishing a content and marketing strategy, and providing advanced education on Facebook marketing. If you are interested and would like to know more, please send me a message today for a free 15-minute consultation to see if this gig is right for you. I appreciate your time.